Hello everyone, welcome to Season 3 of the San Diego Chargers franchise. Here you will see our new rookies have their debut today. Mac Wharton and Duckett, the tight end, are my players I'm going to be watching today. James Foster is now a level 7. And there's the rookie right there. Goal is 50 receiving yards. I can't believe it's Season 3 already. And we went a ways last year. We are all the way to the AFC Championship. And we are just shy of the Super Bowl as we lost to the Tennessee Titans.
With that, let's call in our commentators, Brandon Gotten and Charles Davis with this opening.
And we are here in San Diego, home of the San Diego Chargers. And alright, it's DeMarcus Lava, Reggie Hutchins, Duron Shabazz. It's all there. They're not rookies anymore, it's hard to believe. It seems like we just started last year's season. And back to return is going to be Ezekiel. It's literally his last name. Kicked by Josh Lambo, and this one's going to start off going into the end zone for touchback. And they'll take it at their 25. Here's Derek Carr. Khalil Mack, he gets the first tackle of the year. And off goes to Murray, and Bosa takes him down at the 31. Already at third down. Back to pass is Derek Carr. Throw, steps up, he's got Wofford. First down at the 38, 7-yard connection.
Joey Bosa plays really hard and plays all aspects on defense.
And it's going to be a false start.
And we'll hear from our referee for the first time this afternoon. On first and 15.
So bad error there by the Raiders. That's first down 15. Hillis in the slot. With the receiver.
Working from the gun, it's Carr.
And what a hit by Hutchins. Also can't wait to see how the rookie Dwight Cooper can do today. Looking his first start in his NFL career. And Cooper gets spinned out. And we're really building up his secondary pretty good. Remember, we got all these new front line. Whole new front line, to be honest. We even got some Derek Marks. Throwing a dart down to Wofford, first down. Nice tackle there by Dwight Cooper at the 37. So first down at the 37.
And they did, and what a warning shot they just fired.
Nice tackle there by Khalil Mack at the 38.
A really nice start for them.
Also get Farrell McKee back this season, which I don't know why he's not starting. And Hutchins, you cannot get past him, I swear. Just to fill in, Sheldon May is out for the season because he got hurt back in the preseason. Also, Gordon Turkis is out for 6 weeks.
This is third down.
So that's third down, 6 once again. Goes another dart. It's Ezekiel. And Cooper can't bring him down. It's a touchdown for the Raiders. What a run. What speed he had. He's ran through the whole entire Chargers defense. Maybe Kareem Jackson can make a beautiful debut at blocking a kick, or maybe not. 7-0. Back returns the man who got injured last year in the divisional game. Like this is not going to be. Tucker Williamson, a rookie, non-rookie 1 year forward. He kicked him down to 37. Here comes the quarterback, was a rookie last year. It's Carson Hyde. And here comes the first time on the field, Mac Wharton. Well, we're going to start with Bell today. Nice handoff there to Bell. He's up to the 45.
And it's 2nd and 2.
Some runs are blocked so well, you almost forget that
Check
someone
the
has to
pass.
carry the ball to gain the yardage.
Throwing it, and Wharton's got the catch. First down to the 48. Why are they being so rough on the rookie receiver?
As we hit the midway point of this first quarter.
Midway through the first.
Defense, and you know you got a drag route on as your primary call. You got to be really careful as a passer about how far you let your guy go.
Nice throw there out to Duckett. Duckett's got his first reception and his first down of his career. Have high hopes for Duckett and Wharton this year.
Good recognition there, and how about what he did after the catch?
Hit your tight end, let him get some rack.
And look at Wharton go. That's another first down to the 44-yard line. A gain of another 12 yards for Wharton.
Big pickup for a first down because
Probably going to get his first touchdown in this drive, possibly.
because you might run into a defender.
And Wharton just got nailed at the 21. Here's the Chargers offense.
And the Buffet boys, the O-line. Hopefully they're ready.
Yeah, Doug Free this
You
offseason.
gotta feed them first. But if you do, you usually get a great product.
Welcoming
down the
Louisville
field.
Duck and Mac Wharton into the lineup.
Within his arms,
So they still got Khalil
ability to
Mack.
downway passes.
Looks like it's the same defense, it looks like.
For the offense.
Now it's already a third down for the offense. Booker's in the ballgame. He didn't get much playing time last year. They're trying to get him some looks, and he drops it. So it'll be 4th down.
Include their running backs into their passing offense and be able to swing the ball
So
out
the
and
promising
check it down
drive
to them.
comes to an end by kicking a field goal,
Just not as comfortable
and
catching
it's
the
7-3 Raiders.
Yeah, they're able to pick up a few first downs along
Here we
the way,
go.
but they
Kick
couldn't
this
keep
is
up
going to
with
be
the
out of the end zone
into the
again.
end zone. Get out there and show.
Here's the Chargers defense. They got a whole new defense. Amari Wilkinson, Derek Mark.
So Derek Marks couples movement skills.
Darrell McPhee is back in the lineup after missing the whole season last year.
Defensive tackle.
Dwight Cooper, the new rookie, safety. And this team has got a lot of talent. A lot of young talent, to be honest. 2nd down, 7 at the 28. They play action. Go on long. And it's going to be incomplete. Good play there by the 1-year forwarder on Shabazz. At 11 sacks last year. I'm going to do a whole drive with him. Since then, I've been wanting to see what this guy can do.
Taken by the offense. Unfortunately, it ended in a big drive.
From the gun now on 3rd down. Call.
And he throws this one away. Good job by the Chargers. And now it's a 4th down, so good job there. And that seems to go away. Our good Dwight Cooper. How good of a safety he is that we drafted.
Yeah, he just had to chuck it away.
What a bad kick that's going to be taken by Booker.
Fielded at the 43.
And Booker gets up to the 49. Chargers football now.
The San Diego offense as they get set to see what they can do here. And after the field goal last time, we'll see what they can get here.
Throwing this one out to Bell. Who's got the first down? To the 39.
Catch passes where people are trying to tackle you and knock the ball away. But the bottom line is, that's a pass he's got to have, and a pass he should have caught.
Back to pass.
Back to throw now.
And a throw is going to hit the rookie Linville Duckett at the 32. And now it's 3rd down for the Chargers.
This is what zone defenses count on. Catching the ball and not.
Nice throw up ahead, but a huge hit. Sanders drops it, 4th down. This one is from 49-yard try for Josh Lambo. And he's right down the middle, 7-6, and the Chargers only trail by 1. It's kicked by Lambo. It's going to go into the end zone for a touchback once again.
Back on the field. They're out in front. Last time they had to punt it away. We'll see if they can add to their lead now.
They don't want to go out and
Crawford goes in motion.
This team now wants to get a cushion, put people away.
Jeremy Ross almost made the tackle there.
And that looked like
It
some
might
pretty
be
easy
Mario
action
Williams.
right up the gut.
And he's a guy that has
So it's fun to get the new players that we got. And DeMarco, or let's do this more, he's down at the 31. Welcome back, Phil McPhee. 3rd down 4, by the way. The Chargers defense has been lights out except that one play.
play.
From the gun, it's caught.
And Maxey, oh my! From both directions he got nailed. And the rookie Glanton picks it up at the 16 in Charger territory, Raider territory. Good job there by the rookie, picking it up and being aware that the football was loose.
And in this situation, what the quarterback has to do is his own
Just throw it his hips.
pass. We just look at the receiver and say,
Second down.
when that was a drop, then we just put down the offense. A little credit for the defense there. They just-
Throws, it's going to be caught by Dockett. Good catch there. And it's going to take us to the end of the first quarter. Second quarter's up next. Impressed that he caught that.
They'll need to convert a 3rd and 7 though to start things out.
Back to pass here on 3rd down 7. Down the middle, Sanders. And the Chargers have taken the lead. 14-7. Or it's 13-7, sorry. This grab there by Martell Sanders. It is 13-7. 6-point lead for San Diego.
The coordinator might be using that formula going forward. It worked there.
This time it doesn't go into the end zone. It's going to take him by a false assault. There's a flag. I don't think he took him by the face mask. I don't wonder what it's going to be. And it is face mask. No, he did not grab him on the face mask. So I'm terribly sorry. This looks terrible. Like the stupid green. I'm not sure what's going on. There you go. Now it takes a while to adjust. Looks I hate about this camera. 2nd and 12 at the 21. Handoff. Nice play there. Murray's taken down to the 23.
The run game, trying to get sacks. This guy really knows how to hold the point of attack. Great leverage. And then
3rd down 15 now. Back to pass. And he gets sacked for the rookie Glanton at the 29. And the Chargers have forced a field goal.
Playing with guys who knew how to rush the passer. They would just tell you, just cover people for me, just long enough for me to get there.
Kick is up, and it is good. 13-10, and the Chargers still lead by 3. I wonder who's going to return here. It is going to be Sanders, who's just going to nail this one in the end zone. Chargers offense comes back in the field. Perfectly passed, and it's going to be Duckett who breaks on the tackle. Are you kidding me? Taken down to 47. What a play. He just threw the defender to the turf. Or to the ground, I should say. Going up for it, and it's going to be intercepted by Joseph. And Rodgers makes the tackle. So the first interception of the year goes to Joseph. Hand off. Both Davis Murray and Miles are still tackling people really hard. Down to the 50. First down now at the 50. And Cooper makes the nice tackle at the 43. 2nd and 2 now at the 43.
Just quicker than fast. A lot of them combine quickness and speed, and they catch a lot of footballs, as we just said.
And he drops it. Cooper was guarding Cooper. It's a draft class, another great draft. Dwight Cooper, Linville, Duckett, and McElwain are standouts for this year's draft. They're down 2 at the 43. And he lost the football. And it's going to be first down.
It's almost like baseball.
As Veron Shavaz has slow getting up, but he is okay. First down at the 40. Let's go there by Glanton, the rookie. 3rd down, 5 now. At the Charger 36. Washington's in the game. There's a lot of speed. Throws a dart to Walford down the field. He's taken down at the 13-yard line of the Chargers. And they did get a catch, but it is going to be no touchdown. So it's 2nd down 10.
That's what the technology is for, and this touchdown will count. Back to the ground game.
Now Davis Murray plowing through the Chargers and takes us down to the 2-yard line.
It's an instant goal.
And he has just been a beast in this game.
This game is speed kills, and it does it in so many different ways. In this case, you get a back who's quick and shifty, can make moves, make people miss.
Capture Russell Wilson, and nice play there at the 4-yard line, set. Where he's taken down for a loss of yardage, I should say. And that's Mario Williams, the free agent that we acquired this offseason. Third downs, all Chargers have held him pretty good here inside the goal line. He's going to roll out to the right, and he's going to get nailed by Shabazz at the 2. And the Chargers once again hold the Oakland Raiders from taking the lead.
At every halftime this season, we'll be checking in with Larry Ridley in Orlando for highlights and analysis.
And it's a tie ball game.
They were hoping for 6.
Kicked by Marquette King.
13-play drive.
And this is not going to be a return ball. Second pass is Hyde.
They go back to the air.
Gonna throw it out to Le'Veon Bell, who trucks through a defender. Down to the 44. Third down. Devontae Booker's in the ball game. Back to pass. Nice move by Booker. And he's got the first down.
And he's going to have a first.
And it's going to be roughing the passer, I guess.
4-yard line.
That's holding on the offense. They nailed the crap out of
So he got his hands
Hyde,
a little
but I
too
guess
far
they're a buff.
outside. The ref calling that penalty. The offense really backed
Now
up
they makes it
now
a
on
third down 20. One of the rookies or somebody come through.
to throw again.
And it's a catch, but he just drops it. It's batted down.
Super flashy plays very often, but he's pretty reliable.
Drew
Usually an
Chaser.
excellent target, and normally catches what's thrown to him, but he did on that play.
He's going to call it for a catch.
Fair catch called,
At the
it's
20,
taken
good
in
punt.
at the turn. And the offense will come back onto the field for the 1st and 10. And now Oakland ready to take the field. And last time they
First down, here at the 20.
chip shot field goal. And when you go to the sideline after a chip shot,
Goes it behind him. Hutchins does not let anybody get past him down at the 23.
You take points when you can get them. Not easily done.
on 2nd down, here's Carl.
And he got nailed. What a good play by the Chargers, and nobody got to the football. Now it's a third down. Trying to get their first stop of the game in a while. 23-29 seconds to go. Carr shotgun. Gonna go with the handoff, and he's gonna give me a 4th down. And our new returner this year is Devontae Booker. What can he do? It's a long one. What can Booker do?
This will be fielded at the 17.
Taken down at the 30. Somebody had a big touchdown here.
They'll come out throwing here to start the drive.
Going in, whoa, what a deflection. Love has been pretty quiet. Could he get a big touchdown here? He's going to go for the long ball, and it's going to be intercepted. I thought Lava had it. It's Roman Maxwell who wins the first half. Up comes the Chargers offense.
They have a chance to break our tie here as we get a look at the first drive of quarter 3.
Let's throw it on the field. Duckett's got the catch at the 44.
Usually catches what's thrown to him. On that play,
Back to pass. That's Roberts batted down, and Limbo was wide open. Good play there by the linebacker.
About the play because there's so much traffic ordinarily that the ball has to get through to get to the receiver. And on that play, it was batted down.
And he tried to get to Sanders, but he's hit as he was throwing. So it'll be another 4th down.
Quarterback of this magnitude, but I think it's safe to say that pressure can get to any quarterback.
Now, he's obviously a great franchise quarterback, but felt the pressure, threw it incomplete. Then he gets
Drew
this
Chaser,
away.
he
Look at
pins
this.
this
This is a
one.
good one.
Or he nails it at the 20, it looks like.
They rode for their
Here
first
comes the
possession
Chargers
of the second half.
defense.
Their defense did its job, yielding no
And then
points.
there's offense.
The offense's turn.
Gonna start with the handoff to Latavius Murray. Nice run, but a nice tackle by the Chargers also. By the way, Dwight Cooper has been playing lights out in this game. He's allowed very little catches.
score some points.
And whoa, what a juke! And he's taken down there by the rookie. So nice saving tackle there by Dwight Cooper. As the 1-year pro Hutchins got completely juked out. Tossing it out. Dwight Cooper, good tackle. He thought he could juke away from the rookie, but he said, no way, I'm not getting juked out in my debut. Second down line. Gonna be a pass. Lots of pressure. And look at all the room for Murray. There's no flag in the play. And are you freaking kidding me? They're saying that this is not a holding? Come on, refs. They are saying that's not a holding. And that led to a play that Reggie Hutchins got injured. A forearm fracture. And let's check what happened to him. And it looked like he came down wrong or something. And he got back up, but he's holding his arm. But that call, and we can usually swear, but that was some bullshit there. I mean, that's gotta be the call. You gotta call holding. Miles is gonna make a tackle now, so Duran Shabazz. Hutchins will not be able to return. How long will it be till the standout corner will return? They do not know. And they deserve to go 3-0. That was a holding, and they know it. And he grabbed his jersey. Back to pass. And he drops a good play there. Laying him out after the play. That's 28 if you had it was.
Oh, without a doubt, because he just took care of you and your team in a big way. You know, you turned it over there, that's a big momentum.
Take the pass. Going long. This is what they get for doing that to his other co-rookie, Reggie Hutchins, who got injured. Lava gives him a huge game there. This play there by the 1-year pro. And now, off to the races. It's the 1-year pro. I keep calling him a rookie. The rookie of the year is what I meant to say. 56-yard touchdown. Got 27 last year in his first of the year. And he is really an explosive receiver. Kick is wide right. He's a 92 overall kicker. I don't get why he missed that. So Dwight Cooper will then intercept Derek Carr. Back to pass. He's going to throw it down the field. He's got Duckett for a first down to the 29. And they should not be playing man on DeMarcus Lava with 99 speed. Nice pass here out the Le'Veon Bell. And he makes the defender miss. That's Sean Smith at the 44 got juked out. And how am I going to make the Raiders pay if they were with us last year? And they're being stupid. Let's make them pay. Why are they doing this? No other team plays man this much in DeMarcus Lava one-on-one. He's going to beat you every time. And it's 26-13 if you can make the extra point. I don't get what they're doing. Why would you play man on double with DeMarcus Lava? He's going to beat you every time. He almost caught it. Lambeau's going to kick this one off. This one's going to go into the end zone for a touchback. So this time Shabazz would force a fumble, and now we take over. Throwing a dart, and it's incomplete. Tried to hit Mac Wharton. And it's always hard to judge and forget that he's only 5'9". Back to pass. It's Lynch. Going out of the pocket, and it's intercepted. Good job getting out of the pocket, but then Smith reads it perfectly. So now it's 4th down, 2 from right hash. And he almost got blocked there. And it's going to be 25-16. 4th quarter is up next. So Hyde's got to pass a lot smarter, but I guess that's a mistake everybody has. And it looks like they're playing a little bit, still playing man on it. Throwing it out to Bell, who's in bounds and down at the 34. So 3 touchdowns, 3 interceptions. Nice pass there, he leads the Pillars. Tight end Duckett, first down to the 43. Nice 9-yard pickup there. Make a pass, it's Carson Hyde. Rolling it out to Bell, who's got the catch, taken down for 48. Second down.
So many times you hear today's NFL described as a space game. Get your best players into space with the football in their hand.
Nice pass out to Bell, who's got the catch, first down.
And they had one, it was just unable to complete the pass.
Back to pass. He gets set, he tried to hit Duckett, but there was nothing he could have done. Dan Williams.
And here comes play number 6 on this drive.
Third down, 18 yards to go. Devontae Booker's in the ballgame. Throwing it up. Duckett is incomplete. He got nailed. So he would then be forced to punt. First down at the 47.
It is so funny because when it works,
Goes short to Murray. Oh, nice juke. And he's nailed out by Maxey at the 39. So another first down for the Raiders. One touchdown this game could be very interesting, which it already is kind of interesting. Throwing it down the field to Crabtree, nailed by Maxey at the 11. And they are really attacking the Chargers defense. They need to start playing man. Back to pass. Throwing it short, Walford plays out at the 7. Second and 6 now, 6:55 to go. Really trying to keep him out of the end zone here. And he throws it away. Good job by, I don't know, whoever's covering Amari Cooper has been doing really well. Back to pass, throws to the end zone, Clive Walford. Or Clive, I should say, sorry. Clive Walford. And it's a one-score ball game. 23-25, Chargers still lead. Sanders is not going to be able to return this one. Here come the Chargers. Nice route through to Duckett for the first down to the 44-yard line. Nice job there by Duckett getting open. And he just throws it away.
That'll bring up second down. And on the outside, they're playing press coverage.
When defenses get to the quarterback that quickly, a lot of times it's called a jam.
Throws and he caught it. So I made it a third down and a lot easier than what it was supposed to be. Nice throw out to Sanders, gets laid out at the 35, another first down for the Chargers. Third down long for the Chargers.
They come out here in the eye.
Wide open down the field, and it's going to be an incompletion.
It's incomplete. Down, extra defensive back in there on 3rd and 10.
Third down, 10.
They'll stick with the passing game as he looks to
Wide open is laid on Bell, or it's Booker. They make the defender miss, taken down at the 27-yard line. And the Chargers are going to play it safe, and they are going to take the field goal.
They knew where the sticks were. They got the stop before.
Kick is up, hold by Boyd. 28 to 25, San Diego. And now the Raiders need a touchdown. Kick by Lambeau. Here's Falso. Taking down to the 26. Holcomb comes back on the field. We cannot allow a touchdown. Back to pass. Derek Carr. Throwing it short. He's got Murray. It's Shabazz. Can't bring him down. That's put there at the 44.
football being a game of strength and brawn, it's also a game of
44-3, 42 to go. Back to pass.
Get into the back end of the backfield.
Throws it across the field, and he's got Amari Cooper. And Cooper almost sprung down the other one. And they take back the lead 56 yards. And now they're going to go for the conversion, I'm guessing, which they are.
The Raiders will face an important two-point conversion attempt here. And he showcased his blazing speed on
If
that.
they miss this, then we could have taken the lead with the field goal, but now we'll just tie it up if we miss the field goal. Now what a game this has been, I just gotta say that. This win by the Vikings down there, 34-10 over the Miami Dolphins.
Reflected hours, right? The overall game sheet. But you and I know that they keep count on pressures, hits on quarterbacks, all those things, hoping to increase that throughout the game. And here we are in the fourth quarter, and they got a big
Going long for Mac Warden, who hangs on! Doing the Marcus Nava touchdown celebration. And the rookie in his first game has made the biggest play of the entire game. 35-10 hitting the extra point. What a play by Mac Wharton, the rookie receiver. He's been quiet all day, but the biggest catch matters. And that it was right there. What a touchdown celebration, we're behind the back. San Diego retains the lead. Kick is up, and we take the lead, and then now they need a touchdown if they're going to win this.
25, 2 plays, 75 yards later, into the end zone.
75-yard touchdown.
They kick this one away. This one fielded at the 5.
Here comes the Raiders, and the Chargers putting it into this game. Back to pass, throwing it down the middle, incomplete.
something going, and it felt they could attack again and put more points on the board.
What an offensive showcase this has been. Back to pass, throwing it short off the screen, and Shabazz gets struck through, and there goes Murray. And Shabazz just got trucked like a truck, like a semi. And he takes this one 73 yards to the house.
And that score gives us our 6th lead change of the game.
Down, up and down. What a game we've watched.
What a game this has been. Let's kick.
Raiders defense getting ready. And a tight ball game.
Kamava saved this game. Or rewarded no one of them.
We don't want to overuse the word critical, but it feels that way as they head out this
Pass out to Bell. Down the sideline, taken down. Nice catch there. Good smart throw. And Bell is open.
I mean, the whole team has picked it up, and don't forget, that means the offensive line has had to pass protect pretty well too.
Everyone dialed in.
Back to pass. Gonna throw this short, and Wharton's got the first down to the 49.
So the offense has it 1st and 10.
This has been a great game.
Break down the defender, and that's exactly what happened here on this really nicely executed throw route.
Nice pass out to Wharton. He's got another nice catch.
Hey, we talk about finding the soft spot. Defensive